6 months.
I gotta serve?
Ronnie.
But she died it out in front of me. I wasn't even speeding.
The problem is you fled the scene.
But then I turned myself in. Doesn't that count for something?
If you want to try it, we can try it. I'm ready, the prosecution's ready. But if we lose at trial, you could get 2 to 3 years. My recommendation is we take the deal.
All right.
.30501, Commonwealth versus Ronald Vega, reckless driving, leaving the scene of an accident.
Another police conspiracy, Counselor?
No, Your Honor.
Your Honor, we've reached a tentative agreement subject to the approval of the court. 1 second, Your Honor. I need a moment. I'm sorry, the agreement is off.
What?
Something you'd like to share with the rest of us?
Your Honor, Elizabeth Nicklin, the victim, died this morning from a ruptured spleen. Because the case now involves a homicide...
Homicide?
It was an injury sustained in the accident. In light of the new circumstances, the Commonwealth would like to withdraw the plea offer agreement, add the vehicular homicide to the charges, and move forward.
You can't be serious.
Bond set at $75,000. Take him into custody.
This is outrageous.
Yes, well, given the fact that your client confessed, I suggest you get together with the DA and work out a plea.
I need to talk to you.
Yeah, I'll be back there in a second.
Miss Washington.
I'll be there in a second. What the hell?
The doctors connect the death with the accident, Beck. It's not like I have much of a choice. I'll give you 5.
5 years?
That's a deal. Vehicular plus leaving the scene, SWAC would pin him with 8. Minimum. But he might not even sign off on 5. Let's have it recalled. We'll get rid of it.
I have to talk to my client first. The offer is now 5 years.
I didn't do it.
The doctors evidently can connect the injuries.
I didn't hit her. I wasn't driving the car.
What are you talking about?
Teddy Barrington. He's this big real estate guy. I detail his car. He hit her. He was drinking. He paid me to say that I did it.
Wait a second, Ronnie.
I didn't do it, Miss Washington.
Somebody else is paying you to take the fall.
Yes.
How much?
30,000 plus 10 for each month I had to serve. For 5 years? No way. I'm not doing 5 years.
Ronnie, you signed a confession.
But I didn't do it.
Okay. Okay. Is there any way we can prove this? Do you have an alibi?
No, it was late at night and I was home sleeping when he called. But if you go to my apartment, look in my closet, you'll find the money. Miss Washington, I wasn't driving that car.
Hey. Sit.
I don't like the sound of that.
Barrington's wife backed him up. Said he was home the whole time.
Well, what'd you expect? She's his wife.
Let's talk about what you expect, Rebecca.
Jennifer, say what you have to say.
We're pressing forward against Vega.
I'm telling you.
We have a signed confession.
He was paid to give
Which
that.
we can't prove.
And that is what this is all about, isn't it? The only case you'll be able to prove is against Vega. Why even investigate Barrington? Because with Ronnie's testimony, he represents automatic reasonable doubt.
Rebecca.
Give him a lie detector.
Not admissible, and you know it.
But it's accurate.
Rebecca, we're going forward against Vega. It comes from above.
Because a woman is dead and somebody needs to be convicted. That it?
All the evidence we have points to Vega.
Mr. Barrington's wife will provide an alibi. They're moving forward against you. Ronnie, I think we should just try it. You convince me. You persuade one juror. We've got reasonable doubt. Now we can impanel
I've
first.
decided to stick with my confession, Miss Washington.
I'm sorry?
It was me. I hit the woman. I decided to stick with my confession. Let that be that.
Wait a second. You're going back to saying you drove the car?
Yes.
You had any visitors here? Anybody here to see you?
Mr. Barrington's attorney came to ask why I was accused of somebody else of doing what I did.
How much? How much they offering you this time?
He appealed to my conscience.
You can't do this. This is a homicide. I don't care how much they're offering you. This will ruin your life. For God's sake, listen to me.
My life will be ruined? Do you know the first thing about my life, Miss Washington? My parents were dead when I was 9. I never finished high school. I make about $11,000 a year if I'm lucky. Going to prison may be the best way to prevent me from becoming a criminal.
You're a criminal right now if you do what you're talking about.
I hit the woman. You have my confession.
What do you expect me to do about it?
Well, I want to be let off. A lawyer can't knowingly defraud the court.
You don't know anything. You suspect.
Your Honor, I know.
So what? I take you off the case, just lies to his next lawyer. He marches in here with some ignoramus, and the court is no protected against fraud. Most attorneys wouldn't give a damn anyway.
How did you get to be so cynical?
I'm not cynical, counsel. I'm annoyed. My day was supposed to end 20 minutes ago.
Oh, forgive me. I'm sure you have a nice bowel movement plan and you want to get to it, give your day some meaning. Have you been listening to what I'm saying? A kid has been bought off to take a homicide rap in your court. If that doesn't bother you, then don't tell me you're not cynical or jaded or even putrid for that matter.
I will reject the kid's guilty plea.
Thank you.
He will have a trial, whether he likes it or not. And you will be his lawyer.
Me? I can't.
Yes, you can.
I may have to be a witness because of what I heard.
I'll decide that as I go along. We impanel in the morning.
He'll just fire me.
I won't let him. In the interest of justice and non-cynicism, you're the best lawyer for the job.
Your Honor.
9 o'clock, counsel. You delay my bowel movement one more second, I'll hold you in contempt.
When we got there, he was crying.
The defendant.
Yes, he said he'd hit a woman who was crossing the street and that he panicked and drove off.
Anybody with him when you arrived?
Yes, Theodore Barrington, the owner of the car.
And were you able to establish Mr. Barrington's connection with all this?
Well, basically, the defendant was detailing Mr. Barrington's car. And when driving it home, the defendant hit the woman. He told Mr. Barrington about it, and evidently Mr. Barrington convinced him to notify us.
Did you look into whether Mr. Barrington was driving the car himself?
I'm told he was questioned later.
My question is, did you look into this possibility?
No,
Why not?
because the kid confessed to it.
Are you aware that the defendant claimed he was paid $30,000 by Mr. Barrington?
Objection.
Overruled.
I made that up.
Mr. Vega, take your seat.
Judge, I told I
I
just
said
want
take your seat and close your mouth, or I'll have it taped shut. And if you don't think I'll do it, ask your lawyer.
I don't want her to be my lawyer.
I'll give you one last warning.
Look, I just want to plead guilty.
Okay, Detective Simons, I'll ask you again. Are you aware that my client claimed he was paid $30,000 by Mr. Barrington to say he was driving the car?
I was not aware of that at the time. I was made aware of that this morning, but I was told that the defendant has since retracted the statement.
Are you aware his subsequent retraction came after Mr. Vega was paid a visit to his cell by Mr. Barrington's attorney?
I was not aware of that, no.
Thank you, Detective. That's all.
Your Honor, the Commonwealth calls Ronald Vega.
Objection, Your Honor. My client has a Fifth Amendment right not to testify.
I think if you remove the tape from Mr. Vega's mouth, you'll learn that he waives that right. Mr. Vega, under oath, Is it your testimony that you struck Elizabeth Nicklin while driving Teddy Barrington's car?
Yes.
You turned yourself into police. You signed a full confession.
Yes.
Now, did you tell your attorney that Mr. Barrington paid you for a false confession?
Yeah, but I was lying to her. He never paid me. I hit the woman, and I'm accepting responsibility.
So you were just lying to me when you told me you were paid to confess.
That's right.
And you suddenly changed your story after getting it from Mr. Barrington's attorney, didn't you, Ronnie?
Yeah, 'cause he appealed to my conscience. Plus, you know, I don't want to be sued for false accusing somebody.
I see. You first told me he paid you $30,000. And then you told me to go to your apartment. And when I did, sure enough, I found almost $30,000.
Your Honor, I have to object. She's giving testimony here. If she's going to be a witness...
Let's just get through this.
Well, a lawyer can't stand...
Overruled. Where'd the $30,000 come from?
Savings.
Savings. Ronnie, you made $11,000 a year in your best year. You saved up 30?
Yes.
You have an account at Commonwealth Savings Bank totaling $703. Why not put the $30,000 in a bank?
It was illegal gains.
Illegal how?
I refused to answer that on grounds that could incriminate me.
But you have a conscience, Ronnie. And you're of the confessing mind.
Objection.
Sustained.
When you told me you were being paid to confess, and I was trying to talk you out of doing that, you said I couldn't know you.
These are attorney-client communications. These
Counsel,
are not...
you're lucky enough to have a scumball here who's willing to confess. Why don't you sit and be happy with that?
You said that $30,000 plus $10,000 for every month you'd spend in jail, that's more money than you'd ever know. You said that going to prison, getting this money, might actually prevent you from becoming a criminal. That was all just a lie?
Yes.
You're lying now, aren't you, Ronnie?
No.
Taking the fall for a homicide? I bet you're getting a lot for that.
It was me driving the car.
Why aren't you looking at me, Ronnie?
I look at you, but you're just some ambitious bitch doing I don't know what or why.
I guess that's it. I'm just some ambitious bitch standing up here who you're having trouble looking at. This is the craziest trial I've ever heard of. We have the defendant saying he's guilty, while his lawyer says he's not. I've been acting like a witness, offering facts into evidence, and a lot of it has been attorney-client privilege. And all the while, we have Your Honor up there, taping my client's mouth, calling him scum. We have more grounds for appeal.
This is the trial court, counsel. You can make your appeals later.
Maybe he doesn't care about Ronnie, but I bet he cares about the integrity of this room. I hope you care about it. Ronald Vega doesn't. He accepted money to be bought off the truth. He spits on this room. He spits on me, the judge, on you.
You don't represent me.
Mr. Vega.
You want to rot in jail for cash, it's not just your business. It's mine. And it's theirs. And I won't be bought off. And I doubt you will be either. You took an oath to uphold the law and find the truth. And we all know the truth here, don't we? Ronald Vega wasn't driving that car.
If we can't convict with a confession, then something is definitely wrong with the system. All the evidence, all of it, supports Mr. Vega's confession. A woman is dead here, ladies and gentlemen. Now, Ms. Washington may choose to characterize this trial as a farce, but a human life was lost, and we have an admission from the man responsible. If you were to acquit on the basis of the defense counsel's opinion, well, then we would have a farce, wouldn't we?
The jury has reached its verdict.
We have, Your Honor.
The defendant will please rise. How say you, Madam Foreperson?
Commonwealth versus Ronald Vega on count 1, vehicular homicide, and count 2, leaving the scene of an accident. We, the jury, find the defendant, Ronald Vega, not guilty.
What do you know?
Members of the jury, we thank you. You're free to go, as is the defendant. We are adjourned.
This is a pattern with me. I get them off, they never say thank you.
Ms. Washington, the court thanks you.
You see that look he just shot me? What was that?
Well deserved. Come on, I'm buy you dinner.